Another foundation we are talking about here, the expert system. एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम हम बहुत पहले से ही कर चुके हैं. एन एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम इज एन इंटेलिजेंट आर्टिफिशियल एजेंट which leverages the pre-programmed knowledge to offer a device or make decisions. पहले से pre-programmed knowledge है, उसी में ही work करना है. An expert system can take advantage of the human insights discovered through the trial and error. Right? So expert systems are more predictable क्योंकि पहले से ही pre-programmed knowledge है, तो predictable बहुत easy है, predicted है, and are less likely to make extreme errors क्योंकि पहले से जो प्रोग्राम है उसी को ही वर्क कर रहे हैं. When faced with the previously unseen inputs, right? Expert systems have historical been faster and easier to implement, though machine learning has become much more accessible in recent years. How? Wow. Why machine learning we are talking about? Again, because of a huge data, huge volume of a data, huge, and अब जिस तरीके से वो जितनी जल्दी जल्दी इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है, and different kind of a data, different kind of a digital data, so machine learning has become much more now in these recent years. So Google Nest thermometer, यहाँ पर क्या है, ये क्या है आपका एक एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम है. Google Nest home automation technology is a prime example of an expert system at the job. Users program their preferences into a Nest over time, enabling the system to automatically adjust housing temperature to desired levels and reduce the heating expenses. तो यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर ऑटोमेटिक हाउसिंग टेम्परेचर मशीन है. यहाँ पर using machine learning to predict desired temperature would lead to a wild swings in settings and energy cost. Cost तो हो जाएगा. So user defined logic is critical to stabilizing these predictions. Right? So here we had talked about the Google's Nest thermometer as an expert system example.